accessories worth 2,000 pesos. Hey guys, I have here the TGF4V2 Clear and I think this is one of the best value gel blaster right now. First thing you'll notice is the clear body. You can actually see the internals inside, like the gear set, the gearbox, the motor, piston, and so on. It comes with the metal gears and you can get all of these accessories for free. Free metal muzzle, hand grip, rechargeable PQ light and laser, holographic sight, and scope. For performance, it has a decent power and can easily punch through cardboard box. It is also equipped with metal inner and outer barrel. Weight 1.7 kg, range up to 25 meters. It also has a blowback, dust cover, charging handle, and mag prime. As you can see here, the magazine is clear, pressure type spring magazine. If you're looking for an affordable gel blaster with lots of free accessories included, this TGF4B2 is definitely worth checking out.